Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to make a custom sync in Chrome on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More button. It's represented by 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. In the Settings menu, click on Sync and Google Services. Step 5. Click on Turn on Sync to enable syncing for your Google account. Step 6. Next, select Settings to customize your sync preferences. Step 7. Click on Manage what you sync to access the list of syncable items. Step 8. Finally, select Customize Sync to choose specific items you want to include or exclude from syncing. Customizing your sync preferences allows you to have greater control over which items are synced across your devices. You can choose to sync bookmarks, history, passwords, extensions, and more. By customizing sync, you can ensure that only the data you want is shared across your devices, providing a tailored and efficient browsing experience. That concludes today's tutorial on making a custom sync in Chrome on your PC. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.